Hey guys, so today we're going to do more solving equations word problems. It's not different notes or it's not a new concept. We're just doing more examples. So you're on page 7 for day 2. If we look at the first example, it says the formula converting a Fahrenheit temperature to a Celsius temperature is, and there's the formula, find the equivalent Celsius temperature for 68 degrees Fahrenheit. So this one's a little different than we did yesterday. They gave me an equation and they're telling me to use 68 degrees Fahrenheit. In other words, this is the letter F. So if I'm taking my formula, C equals, my letter F is 68 minus 32 divided by 1.8. And so now we're just going to solve this for C, meaning I'm going to do the top of my equation first. So 68 minus 32, that's going to be 36. And now we are going to divide 36 divided by 1.8 is 20 degrees Celsius. So we didn't have to write our own equation. They gave it to us. Really, they just wanted us to substitute in the 68 and get our new degree. If you need more time with this first example, go ahead and hit pause. Otherwise, we're going to move on to example 2. Example 2 says a pair of jeans cost $12 more than a skirt. Julie bought a pair of jeans and a skirt for a total of $55. What is the cost of the skirt? So just like yesterday, we want to define a variable. We want to make sure that we know what things are. So if we're talking about what is the cost of the skirt, I'm going to say that X is my cost of skirt. Okay? But they also didn't tell me what the jeans cost. All they said was that jeans cost $12 more than a skirt. Well, $12 more means I would plus 12. So if I say X plus 12, then this is the cost of jeans. So when I go to write my equation and it says she bought a pair of jeans and she bought a skirt, well, a pair of jeans is X plus 12, and, meaning we're adding, skirt is X, total is $55. So if that's my equation, I need to combine like terms. X plus X is 2X. Now I can subtract 12 from both sides. So that's going to give me 43. And now I'm going to divide by 2. When you divide by 2, you are going to get a decimal. But think about what we're finding. We're finding the cost. So we are finding money. So we want to say that this is money at $21.50. So instead of saying 21.5, we want to put it in terms of money. And we were finding the cost of the skirt, which is X. So $21.50 for a skirt. And so there is our answer. If you need more time, go ahead and hit pause. If you're good with example 2, we're going to move to example 3. A shoe store is running buy one, get one half off sale. Grant purchases 4 pairs of shoes that are all the same original price, and he spends $159. What was the original price to each pair of shoes? So they're talking about what was the original price. So I'm just going to use X, and I'm going to say that's my original price. Okay? When they say that it's a buy one, get one half off, that means the first pair of shoes I buy at the original price X. But the second pair of shoes I buy is going to be half of X because it's half off. It says he did 4 pairs, right? So this is 1 pair, 2 pairs. So now the third pair is full price. And the fourth pair would be half again. They told us his total was $159. So when I go to solve this equation, remember this is a 1x, this is a 1x. So So if I have 1 plus 1/2 plus 1 plus 1/2, that's a total of 3x, right? Because 1/2 plus 1/2 would be 1. So now, in order to solve, I'm going to divide both sides by 3. And so x is 53. And so again, we were talking about money, right? So we're going to say this is $53, and this is our original price. If you need more time, go ahead and hit pause. If you're good with example 3, we're going to do the last one, example 4. Krista is paid a salary of $275 a week plus 2.75% commission on her total sales. If her total pay for 1 week was $481.25, what is the amount of her total sales? So this is what we're finding, right? So X is her total sales. It says she gets paid $275 a week plus her commission. Now it says her commission is 2.75% of her total sales. So really we need 2.75% of her total sales. In order to do that, the easiest way is to actually change that from a percentage to a regular decimal, which means I'm moving my decimal 2 places forward. So this is really a 0.0275. So that means I need that 0.0275 times X, and that's going to give me her total paycheck, $481.25. So this one's a little tricky because we have to change up that percentage so that we have a decimal value to multiply with X. Okay? If you think about something, if it's 50%, the decimal would be 0.5 because you move the decimal 2 places. So here I'm going to start solving by subtracting my 275 from both sides. So that means I still have my 0.0275x. On the other side, 481.25 minus 275 is 206.25. And now we have to divide by this decimal. And so we just want to make sure we're using calculators very carefully, typing in 0.0275 that we're dividing by. And so when I do that, X is equal to 7,500. And so again, we're talking money, so $7,500 in total sales. So that's how much she sold, and then she got her commission of that added to her paycheck. Okay. If you need more time with number 4, you can hit pause. If you're good with number 4, then you're good to go ahead and start your homework. So you need to take care of page 8. Make sure page 8 gets uploaded to Canvas for all of your credits. Have a great day, guys.